In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3 indicators in TradingView for free. If you're using TradingView's free plan, you might have encountered the limitation of adding only 2 indicators per chart. But don't worry. Today, we'll explore a couple of clever workarounds to this restriction that will allow you to enhance your trading insights without spending a dime. First, let's dive into our primary option, which involves a little bit of coding magic called PineScript. PineScript is TradingView's custom scripting language, and it allows you to combine multiple indicators into one seamless package. By writing a custom PineScript, you can encapsulate your favorite indicators into a single indicator slot, effectively bypassing that pesky 2-indicator limit. This approach is incredibly powerful because it enables you to tailor the indicators exactly how you like them, mixing their functionalities into one cohesive display. And while this method requires some coding knowledge, it empowers you to truly customize your trading experience. However, if the idea of coding seems intimidating, there's an equally effective alternative that requires no coding skills at all. You can use a no-code tool like Pinify to accomplish a similar feat. Pinify is designed for those who prefer an intuitive, visual approach. It allows you to select multiple indicators you wish to combine seamlessly. Think RSI, MACD, EMA, and others, and then magically generates a single PineScript for you. To embark on this no-code journey, you should visit the Pinify website. Once there, you'll experience a user-friendly interface where you can pick and choose your preferred indicators from a list. For example, you might opt for the RSI, MACD, and EMA, as these are popular among traders for their varied insight into market behavior. After selecting your desired indicators, the next step is simply to generate the PineScript. Pinify handles all the back-end complexity and produces a script that is ready for use. Now take that script and head over to TradingView. Open up the Pine editor, which you can access from the platform's built-in editor tools. Paste your generated PineScript into the Pine editor and click on Add to Chart. Just like that, you've got a fully functional, combined indicator visible on your TradingView chart. And the best part? It only takes up a single indicator slot despite consisting of multiple components. This clever trick means you can now add 3, or even more, indicators to your TradingView chart despite using the free plan. It's a fantastic way to enhance your analytical capabilities and gives you the freedom to incorporate various insights without cost restrictions. Whether you choose to build your own script or use a friendly tool like Pinify, both methods open up new avenues to refine your trading strategy conveniently and effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.